Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Beauty Bubble. This is Nisha and I'm very sorry guys I couldn't make you a video all this while because I was pretty occupied with all the flights and everything, but since you all guys know that now it's a complete lockdown and the flights have also shut, so I have plenty of time to answer all your questions and make as many videos as you guys want me to do it. So yeah, let's get started. First question that you guys want to know from me is that do we have to wear formal skirts and shirt with proper makeup for Spice Star Academy interview? So guys, you really need to understand that this interview is also the same as cabin crew interview. So you can't wear just anything and everything for the interview. You have to wear formal shirts, formal skirt along with the proper makeup that you go for the regular walk-in interviews. So yes, Miss Shruti Shekhar, we have to wear formal skirts and everything for the interview for Spice Star Academy as well. Another question that you guys have asked me, will they check your English at the time of interview or not? So here is something very important for you guys, that a lot of you have asked me about the English communication thing. So guys, when you are about to become a cabin crew, you are aspiring to become a cabin crew, you need to understand that you have to have a proper English communication. So yes, definitely they will check for your English, although they provide a 3 months course for English specifically for that before they start actually your training for the SpiceJet. But then you need to understand that you should actually know the basics while you are appearing for the interview. It's not that you can work in Hindi, the interview will go fine in Hindi. It's not like that. You need to know English, basic English at least, before appearing for the interview. One of you has asked me that about the face check round. So guys, again I will say that this is a cabin crew interview and a cabin crew need to have a flawless skin, and for that matter they will check your skin for sure. If they will not check in during the interview, they will check it after you complete the interview and after you join the classes. They will ask you to go for several treatments for that to cure, and so you need to be very specific about your skin before you appear for the interview. Instead of going afterwards for the treatment, you can go for the treatment beforehand and just go with a flawless skin, and you need not to have any scar marks or anything like that on your face, on your body or in your hands, wherever it is visible. And yes, tattoos are a big no guys. If you have your skin if you have anywhere tattoo in your skin where in the uniform it will be visible, it is a big no. They will not actually hire you if you have a tattoo any which ways. Some of you has asked me that if Spice Star Academy only hire girls. So no guys, that is not the case with Spice Star Academy. With SpiceJet we have boys as well as girls. So same goes with the Spice Star Academy, and Spice Star Academy is an academy started by SpiceJet itself. So keeping in mind, SpiceJet hires boys as well as girls. So you need not to worry boys, you can also appear for the interviews and try your luck. One of you has asked me that what are the questions that are asked in Spice Star Academy interviews. So again I will say this is a regular interview for a cabin crew and all the questions are same as being asked in a cabin crew interview. Like first of all, you need to introduce yourself. They will ask you to tell me about yourself and everything, stuff like that. Then they'll ask you why do you want to become a cabin crew, why should we hire you. So these are the basic things that they will check and they will go for while actually taking an interview. And somewhere around they have a GD round for some, and for some they don't have a GD round. So it depends. If you go for the interview, they will either take your GD round or they won't check your GD round. So it totally depends on them guys. And as far as the questions are concerned, questions are same as that are being asked in every other interview. Some of you have asked me the fees that we pay is 3.75 lakhs, so which is true. Hostel fee is included in it. So guys, let me tell you that there is no hostel facility that is being provided by Spice Star Academy. See, it's a training academy, and while in a cabin crew training also, they don't provide you any hostel facilities. You have to arrange for your own accommodation. Yes, for the first 3 or 4 days, they will provide you a hotel room if you are somewhere out of the city and if you are somewhere out of the Gurgaon, they will definitely provide you a hotel for 3 or 4 days, but within those 3 or 4 days you will have to arrange for your own accommodation. You will have to search a PG or a room or anything which suits you, and then you will have to go by yourself about it. So no, there's no hostel fee included in it, and yeah, they don't provide you any hostels or something like that. So I guess guys, most of the questions that you have asked me are actually more or less the same. Like all of you has asked me about this English. So yes, English is important. Some of you asked me about the questions, and I have already told you about the questions. Yes, you do have to wear formals, you do have to wear makeup, you have to be pretty well groomed, and there should be no scars or any tattoos in your skin, in your face, or anywhere which is visible. So they will not hire anyone with tattoos or with marks. If you have marks, go for treatments. There are many laser treatments that are there to cure the marks and scars on your face that you have. So guys, this was it about today's video, and if you guys want to know about anything further about the Spice Star Academy or SpiceJet or anything, you may ask me. I'm ready to help you out. I'm ready to make a video. I will make a video very frequently, because right now till now I was quite busy with flights and everything, but now because of the lockdown I have a lot of spare time, so I can make a video about everything and anything that you guys ask me. So guys, do let me know in the comment section what you want to know about further. So till then, I'll see you. Bye bye.